Hey guys, today, let's learn how to add a voiceover over on your Instagram Reels. If you guys would like to go ahead and add voiceovers over onto the Instagram Reels that you created, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, all we need to do first is to go on over and launch the Instagram application, and it would like you to go ahead and create your own reel as you would normally. And in this case, I'm gonna go and log on for some my preferred accounts, and you could also go ahead and do it the same as well in your end. But from here, just go and tap on the plus icon. I'm gonna go and tap on reel, and I'm gonna tap on camera. Now, from here, I'm gonna go in and record my reel, just as I would do with a normal reel. And once I'm done, gonna tap on this button, and let's go ahead and tap on next, just as I would have. Now from here, if you guys would like to go ahead and basically add a voiceover on here, we do have a few options of doing so over here. Let's try to go ahead and swipe up, and we should see these options. We can actually go ahead and add some clips, add audio volume, filter and effects. We'll try to go ahead and tap on it audio, and we do have the option to add some music on here, but this is what we want to do. We want to basically do is to use our own voice and add a voiceover. So let's go ahead and try to look at that. Let's see if we have that on the edit option. We don't. And of course, what we're gonna do next is to go ahead and basically tap on this music icon. So go ahead and tap on that music icon, and we do have this option called voiceover. Now tap on voiceover. Now you will have the option for you to record your own voice. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on that record option right now, and it's basically recording already. But tap on this option again, and then tap on done once you're done. And that's how you guys easily go ahead and add a voiceover on your Instagram Reels. And once you're done with, then happy with what you've created, just tap on next share. And that's how you guys could easily go ahead and add a voiceover on your Instagram Reel. I thank always for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.